Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Today we will discussing regarding SSC and RRB competitive examination bits. So the notification comes very soon. So please kindly read the bits and listen the bits and please kindly cooperate with us. If you like, subscribe, square and like, share and like. Okay, so today we will discussing regarding the bits, important bits. The first bit, the symbolic bacteria which is respondent for the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen is found, that is the pea plant. It is the most commonly the small spherical seeds or the seeds pod of the pod fruit. Each pod containing several pears which came from green or yellow colors. The next question. The antibiotic penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. He also discovered the enzyme liposome from his nozzle discharge in 1922, and along with the bacterium he named Microcystis lactosis. The organ of the human body bone typica is to be found in leg. Typica also called shiny, inner and larger of the two bones of the lower leg in vertebrates. The other is the fibula in humans. The typica form the lower half of the keen joint above and the inner protuberance of the ankle below. The next question. The study of fishes is called, the right answer is ichthyology. The next question. The study of butterfly is called, the next question. The blackboard seems to black because it does not reflect any colors. Actually, a blackboard has all colors in light or white light. So when the light falls on the board, absorbs all colors because all are present. So no light is reflected back. That is the case when the board has all the colors, and so it will appear black as it absorbs all the colors of light that falls on it. The next question. The state in which molecules attraction is very strong. According to the chemistry, that elements are classified into three categories: solids, liquids and gases. In the solids, the molecules are closely packed and the attraction between the molecules are very strong when compared to liquids. The liquids are loosely packed, the attraction force in between the molecules are lesser than the solids. In gas states, the molecules are randomly moves. The distance between them is also very far, and their attraction force is very less than only these are randomly moves from one place to another place. The next question. The numerical value of displacement is the distance covered is always equal or less than 1. The next question. A motor vehicle is moving on a circle with a uniform speed. The net acceleration of the vehicle is toward the center of the circle. The next question, the mass has closest its value that of the electron, that is the positron. Positron is the positive, the same mass as that of the electron. These are the particles are present in the nucleus. Which method is employed for the obtaining a pure metal? The pure metal can be obtained by the electro-refining. This is the purest metal is obtained. We can adapted some of the metals concentration, roasting and smelting process, but these metals are not in pure. The pure metal is obtaining only from the electrolytic refining only. Matrix is defined as the matrix means the unwanted foreign materials present in the ore. The next question, which metal reacts with cooled water? Sodium. Sodium is very reactive, it is always kept in kerosene because it is reacts with the atmospheric oxygen or in water also. Vinegar is produced from ethanoic acid. The next question, the halogen being used as a analgesic is bromine. The next question, which fuel causes minimum environmental pollution? That is the hydrogen. So then only nowadays the hydrogen fuel are using. Which one is the only present in DNA but not in RNA? That is the thiamine. Uracil is the nitrogenous base present in RNA but not in DNA. Thiamine is the DNA. DNA have the main guanine, adenine and cytosine. Thiamines are replaced by uracil in RNA. So what is the uracil? Uracil is one of the four nuclear bases in the nucleic acid. RNA that are represented by the letters A, capital A, G, C and U. The others are A, D, E, N, I, N, E, adenine, cytosine and guanine in RNA. Uracil bond cytosine and guanine are in RNA. Uracil is bonded adenine via two hydrogen bonds in DNA. The uracil nucleus base and replaced by thiamine. Uracil is the smallpox as an irradiated virus that used to be conjugatis. The smallpox is an irradiated virus that used to be conjugatinous, disfingering and often deadly. So how to spread? Number one, airborne respiratory droplets, cough or sneezing. Number two, by saliva, kissing or share drinks. Number three, the skin to skin contact, handshakes or hugs. The symptoms, high fever and severe headache. The next question, which group of most abundant in the terms of number of spices identified? The right answer is fungi. In terms of number of spices, insects certainly represent the largest percentage of the world organisms are than 1 million species of the insects. Fungi, any of the about 1,44,000 known species of organisms of the kingdom. Fungi, which are includes the yeast, rust, and molds. Molds are the mushrooms. The next question: which part of the brain controls the momentum, moment, maintain balance and equilibrium of the muscle bones? Cerebellum. The next question: what is the backbone of fever most commonly known as dengue? Once again, I repeat the cerebellum. The main function of cerebellum is the main function of the cerebellum is the walking, posture, balance, coordination, eye movements, speech. It receives information from the sensory systems, the spinal cord, and other parts of the brain, and then regulate motor movements. So next question: what is the backbone fever most commonly is known as dengue? So dengue is the viral infection transmitted to humans through the bite of infection mosquito, the primary vectors. What is the nervous system? Control action. Your nerves in your body's commanding center organizing from your brain. It controls your movements, thoughts, and automatic respirations to the world around you. It also controls other body systems and process such as digestion, breathing, and sexual development. It controls everything you do. The system made up of your brain, spinal cord, and all the nerve system of your body. The brain is the main important. Which instrument is used to measure voltage? So the voltmeter is used to measure the voltage in a circuit. The potential difference is the two instruments. One is the voltmeter and the other one is the ammeter. The ammeter is used to measure the potential difference in between the this one. The basic principle of nuclear reactor, nuclear fission. In the nuclear fusion and the nuclear fission, these are the two. So the basic principle of nuclear reactor is the nuclear fusion. Example of not state of matter. So colloidal. A non-matter including the light from the torch, the heat from the fire, and the sound in the police siren. You cannot hold, taste, or smell. These things there are not type of in matter but forms of energy. Example: time, sound, sunlight, rainbow, love, thoughts, and gravity, microwaves, heat, memories, etc. The next question: Example of derived units. These are the Newton, Joule and Volt. Which two colors are mixed to make a green? That is the yellow and blue. These are the most important bits for SS and RRB examination point of view. So please kindly read and listen. If you are like, please kindly subscribe, like and share. Within shortly, we will provide one more video. In this week onwards, every week more than 25 to 30 bits, twice a week we are providing, because the time is very short. So please kindly cooperate with us and encourage with us. So we will provide more videos for your purpose. Thank you. Thank you so much.